Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Sige po. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hello, International Airport.
600 meters.
Video. Departure.
Continue for 1 kilometer.
Pasok. Pinigyan mo ng mirror.
You'll be given a small sticker.
Okay. So, binigyan ako ng sticker. Siyempre, dapat kita yung lakos. Check-in. Self-check-in. Pacific. Scan na lang. Toot, toot, toot. This is my first time seeing a self-drop bag. I don't know how to. Okay, lalagay lang dito. Maybe. Scan your card, your ticket. Tap. And then, everything should be automated. So, tignan mo. Yung pumapansin. So we'll be checking in and we'll be putting the phone first sa tray because that's the usual procedure. We'll be getting some pictures and videos. Do some posts here. So apparently this is a very famous design by Kevin. And this is supposed to be a chair, so I'm not sure which part of it is comfortable kasi you can rotate. This one at least kids can enjoy. Come! Charan! This is a better one. Hello! So dito sila. Passengers will be waiting for their flight. Let's dive deeper. Welcome to my class elevator.
Second floor.
Let's go down. Hello. 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 I'm flying. Bye bye Philippines. Bye bye. Okay. We'll go to the toilet and check the toilet. There. Amenities. Ganito siya. So typical sensor. Tapos another sensor. Also, a very new thing is a gender-neutral bathroom. So, walang issue if whether you're a girl, a boy, or member of an LGBTQA, there's a bathroom for you. Baby care. So, if you have a baby and you need to change station, then everything is also automated. So this is for the international transfer. So section of connecting flight. So this is where you go. We'll be getting our baggage, guys. The amazing thing about this airport is all of the areas have free Wi-Fi and lahat ng mga connections mo are interconnected. So you don't have to keep on connecting to different ports ng Wi-Fi. Rather, you just have to connect to one network and everything else will be connected kung saan ka man. Something. So, kaka-arrive lang natin galing sa Qatar, Doha. And we'll be getting our baggage there. Saan ba? Baggage, belt number 5. So punta tayo ng belt number 5.
Ano ba yan?
Hello! Come. There you go, you see the third floor. The door is closing. Let's go to the restroom. So if you're feeling hungry and wanna grab some snacks, okay. So we have to go to the departure para makapunta sa mga restaurant. Tama ko yan yung restaurant. Doon pa, pumasok pa. Okay. Mali na naman tayo. Kailangan na naman tayong pumasok for the restaurant. Mga boutiques in the future. So mga duty free or mga souvenirs, mga ganyan.
Mga luxury items.
Restaurants, mga ganyan. The way how I see it, since it's a very long platform, sobrang daming mga stores you will find. Welcome to the prayer room.
Carpet. This is the VIP lounge.
No, this is the OFW lounge. And then
Hindi siya po. Can we have po?
yes, please. Sure, sige. Thank you. Very nice lunch. So currently, this restaurant area is closed pa, but that other part there, yun yung open na resto. So we'll try to check there. Finally, we'll be going to the restaurant despite the fact that we were out of our way for twice na nawala kami. And this time around, with the help of Lady Guard, you were given the right direction and hopefully hindi na kami mawawan. Yun. Tayo, nagutom kami and unfortunately, we don't have cash. And we also want to try makabebes. Fortunately, they're accepting GCash. So, yun. That's how we're going to pay at the moment. Itong in-order namin. We ordered 3 para matikman lahat-lahat. I forgot the flavors, unfortunately. Sa sobrang gutom, nagmamadali. Ayan. So, 1 for me. 1 for my travel buddy. Bakit tatlo? Okay, moment of truth. Ube muna. Legit. Ask him. Legit. And ding ding ding. Sarap. And that ends our tour for today. And so finally, right after having the tour, we'll be getting our own IDs dito. Hello. Irving Handol. So ayun, we just finished touring the new terminal of Clark International Airport, and once again, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the tour. It's our privilege to be able to be part of the open house program, and thank you for inviting us. We had a really good time, and hope to see you guys next time on our next travels. Bye bye.